Hello, my name is Nikki Boyer, and I'm going to be giving a book talk on The Librarian of Auschwitz by Antonio Iturbe. The Librarian of Auschwitz is based on the true story of Dita Kraus, though in the book she's called Dita Adler, and she is the librarian of a forbidden library in the Auschwitz-Birkenau concentration camp. And even though the library only has 6 books and 3 living books, which are basically just people who have remembered the story so well that they can recite them orally, maintaining those 6 books is extremely dangerous for her. If she's caught with those books, she will most definitely be killed. The majority of the story takes place in Block 31 in Auschwitz, which was used as sort of an experiment and a school for children. The book also includes viewpoints from many other historical figures to create this narrative of survivors and even escapees from Auschwitz. It is historical nonfiction published in 2017, and it's appropriate for grades 7 through 12 at a 940 Lexile level. I'm going to read to you now a short excerpt from the book. This is when Dita asks one of the school teachers to become one of her living books for the library, and the teacher is hesitant at first. Dita sees that just the thought of doing it has made the woman blush. But they can't afford to lose a book, and so Dita quickly thinks about what Freddie Hirsch would have said in a situation like this. I know it's a huge effort for you, but for the time the story lasts, the children stop being in a stable full of fleas. They stop smelling burned flesh. They stop being afraid. During those minutes, they're happy. We can't deny this to these children. The woman agrees a bit reluctantly. We can't. If we look at our reality, we feel anger and disgust. All we have is our imagination, Marketa. The teacher finally stops looking at the floor and raises her angular face. Add me to the list. Thank you, Marketa, thank you. Welcome to the library.